Hello guys, I just want to replay the CEO Mr. Brandon Stephenson's speech for the Miami Summit. He couldn't make it to the Miami Summit, but he was able to drop a message for everybody that attended that summit. However, the co-founder, Mr. Mike Hamilton, was in attendance. So for those of you that are thinking that people that are running e-estate, they are AI, they are not AI, guys. They are real people that are touching lives. So sit back and watch the speech, the message that was delivered by Mr. Brandon Stephenson to the whole community of e-estate.
Ladies and gentlemen, friends, partners, buyers, and agents, welcome to Miami. Today in this room are the first buyers and agents from the United States, the United Kingdom, and beyond. But what truly matters is not how many people are here, it is who you are and why you are here. You are the first buyers, the first agents, the first builders of the estate. And that matters because every long-term institution begins not with scale, but with a small group of people who see further than others. The estate did not begin on the day the platform went live. The public launch is only the visible part of the story. Preparation, strategy, architecture, legal structure, token economics, property sourcing, asset tokenization, and cash flow models for buyers and agents all took far longer than the platform has existed publicly. This was not a rushed launch. It was a deliberate process. From the very beginning, the goal was not to build another crypto product. The goal was to build infrastructure. Infrastructure that connects real estate blockchain, compliance, cash flow, and people into one coherent system. As the architect of the estate strategy, the platform logic, the EST utility model, the agent cash flow structure, and the long-term roadmap, I want to personally congratulate everyone in this room. You did not simply invest. You participated at an early stage in building something much larger. What you see today is proof that the model works, not in theory, in practice. Real assets, tokenized ownership, working cash flows, a functioning platform, a growing international community. This summit is not a celebration of arrival. It is confirmation that we are moving in the right direction. And I want to clearly state one thing. This is only the beginning. Our vision was never limited to one country or one market. eEstate was built as a global platform that makes it possible to own real estate starting from just $10, regardless of where you live. Our mission is to scale this idea worldwide, to make access to real assets simple, transparent, and international. That is why our next step goes beyond local events. This year, eEstate will host an international real estate tokenization forum, a forum bringing together agents and buyers from the United States, Europe, Asia, Africa, and other regions of the world. I want agents from different countries to gather in one place, exchange experience, see the scale of what we are building, and feel that they are part of a global movement. And I will be there, together with Carol, without exception, because real estate tokenization is not a local idea. It is a global transformation, and eEstate intends to be one of the projects that shapes this market, not one that follows it. We are not just building a platform. We are building an international ecosystem where anyone, regardless of country, language, or capital, can participate in a new model of real estate ownership. And today's summit clearly demonstrates how important it is to hold events like this to build a strong and sustainable environment that we continue to move forward together.
So there you go, guys. You have listened to him and you must have seen the second video that I just dropped for the co-founder, Mr. Mike Hamilton. He was in that Miami summit as well. Okay, so this is the chance for you guys to take action. That is the whole point of this video, right? I want you guys to take action. You have seen the CEO, you have seen the co-founder. What else are you waiting for? Right? So the link to join is below this video description if you wish to do so. It's entirely up to you. We are going to keep making money. We are going to keep changing lives. We are going to keep sending message out to the whole world about e-estate. Thank you.